When we talk about chickencongee, I'm pretty sure that there is no single soul who don't know about it. It's so popular in Asia. Even McDonald's in some countries put it in their menu. In this video, I would like to share my version of chickencongee, the fried garlic. Though it is not the main ingredient, I like to add it in as a seasoning to this congee. It's just to sprinkle some of it on top of the congee. Without it, the congee would be boring. But there is no harm to make more. We can use it in future dishes. Chop the garlic coarsely. Pour some oil into the wok. Usually I use twice the oil from the garlic volume. If the oil is too little, the garlic will be soggy and not crispy. We certainly do not want it to happen. When the oil is hot enough, put the garlic into the wok. Do not forget to stir it at all times, especially on the side. Turn off the heat when it's almost golden brown and continue to stir for another 2 minutes. This is crucial. If you don't, you can bid farewell to your golden garlic and say hello to the burned ones. Sieve the garlic and let it rest. After that, we can keep it in a container and proceed to the next process. I used chicken breast because it has no bones. It's easier to cook and eat. No choking hazard here. Slice the breast and then cut it into cubes. Put the chicken into a bowl and marinate with white pepper, salt, and sesame oil. Mix all the ingredients and put aside for 10 to 15 minutes. One of the most important ingredients, ginger. Rich in flavor, and it is a type of superfood packed with nutrients and health benefits. Peel it off. Then I cut the ginger into juliennes. There's no rule of thumb on how to slice the ginger. It's down to personal preferences. Grab some scallion and slice it. Put aside. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into the pot. Gas on medium heat. Next, put the ginger and scallion. Fry until you can smell the aroma. Smells good. Put the marinated chicken and stir well. A full cup of rice. Don't forget to wash the rice beforehand. Stir well all the ingredients. Pour some water into the pot. The ratio of water to rice that I used is 1 to 6. As I used 1 cup of rice, the amount of water is 6 cups. But you can also adjust the water ratio depending on how thick you want your congee to be. No strict rules here. The congee will always need to be stirred to avoid from crusting at the bottom and burnt. We certainly do not want a bitter congee. Don't forget the remaining ginger. Put all of it into the boiling congee. If the congee turns extra thick, add some more water. Continue stirring it until the texture looks like this. Mouth-watering, isn't it? Next, add on some white pepper. Add some salt. The level of saltiness is down to personal taste. stir well. After all set, switch off the gas. And it's done! Season it with scallions, the fried garlic that was made earlier, and a bit of sesame oil. And voila! Ready to serve. There's no need to queue up at McDonald's anymore.